Back to another video. So y'all saw I finally got my first deer. So I don't think I want to mount it, like shoulder mount it, because this is not the target buck that I was trying to get. This is just the first buck that came out literally 10 minutes into shooting daylight of opening day, so I had to take it. And I think I'm a European mount this one, so if I ever go back and get that 10-pointer, the one that I've been watching for the past month and so, I think I would mount that one. But this one, I'm gonna try the European mount. So let's see how that comes out. Here it is. I've had it in water because I didn't want it to go bad, but here's my deer right here. So I think they say I have to skin the whole head. So I'm gonna start doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna start basically just skinning it and then boil it with dish soap. That's what I've seen. And then after that, basically all the tissue is gonna come off a lot easier. So see how it comes out. All right, so there it goes. I got all the skin off and I got majority of the tissue, all I can get. I guess the rest of it, whenever we boil it, it'll be easier to come off. So let me get the pot ready with water. I think you gotta add dish soap, Dawn dish soap, and maybe a little bit of Clorox. I'm not sure, I gotta look that up, but yeah, let's put that in water so it can start boiling. It's gonna be a long process, but I'm excited for it. My first deer. All right guys, so I have my boiling water here. It doesn't need to be a hot, just slightly boil it for 4 hours, and I'm gonna add some dish soap. All right guys, so I think I got it to a good point. It's slightly boiling, not too much, but just enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in there and leave it in there for a couple hours. Just need to make sure everything is covered. Just let it sit there for 3 or 4 hours. All right guys, so it's hit the 4-hour mark. I think it's looking ready. It looks better now. I came to check it around 3 hours and it still needed a little bit longer, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out and see what I can get off of it. So this is what it looks like now. Yeah, that looks nice. Now I just need to take all this tissue off. All right guys, so obviously y'all can see it's pretty dark now, but let me get started on this. But let me get all this tissue out now. Should come off a lot easier. Yeah, there you go. It's coming off super easily. All right, so I had to put it in here another 15 minutes because last night it got way too dark and I didn't want to turn on the pressure washer. But I got majority that I cut with the knife and pliers, but now I'm gonna pressure wash it just to leave it clean. And then I'm gonna soak it up in the same water, but I'm gonna I'll show you the cream to whiten it a little bit more. But let's pressure wash it to get all the excess off, the rest of the stuff that stayed on there. Okay, but before I do the pressure washer, I just think you gotta break these ear thingy just so you can spray in there. You just need to get that little nasal stuff out. So hard to get it out. All right, so I finished pressure washing it, got everything out of it, all the meat and the little tissue in there, I believe so. I have my pot of water and I added a little bit of dish soap, and also I'm going to add this salon care care, 40 volume. It's supposed to be to whiten it, whiten the bone, you know, get as white as it can. But before I put it in the water, I gotta put some wrap on the antlers, keep them from turning a different color. So, you know, just some plastic wrap on each antler. Let's just do, say, about 2 feet. Just fold it in half and wrap it around the antler, around the base, starting at the base up. Get around that bottom part and just work your way up. So I got both antlers done. I did the wrap. Now I'm just put some tape on it so it won't come off. You can do masking tape, I think. That's what they recommend. I got electrical tape, just like at the base of the antler, just to keep it from peeling off. Just tying it on there so it doesn't get no water in there. Do that on both, and one on the top, a little bit higher, just to keep it from sliding down. So that's how it looks, the bottom and the top. So I got my water here. It's pretty warm now. I'm gonna add this okay, so like I told y'all, Salon Care 40 volume cream. It's supposed to be the whitening the bone. So let's add that in there, and literally just for about 15 minutes, I would say. See how this comes out, and just throw it in there. So I'm just keeping the water right above the skull, just where everything is covered. All right, so it's been, about 15-20 minutes. Just get this out. And it definitely looks a lot whiter than when I put it in there. It's pretty dark out here, but it is a lot whiter. Just gotta let it dry, and I need to remove the little wrap on the antlers. Dang, but that looks nice. My very first European mount. Well, my very first deer, I European mounted it. But let me remove that. Where's my knife? So yeah, just remove the tape and the wrap. Should come off pretty easily. So I got one of them. Do the next one. And there it goes, right there. And that looks nice. So yeah, my very first deer, this is what I did to it. Man. Oh yeah, and another thing also, some of the little bones who kind of came off a little bit when I was pressure washing it, and two little bones here from the nose. But that's where you can just, get your super glue and glue it back. But yeah. All right, guys. So this is how my European mount came out. You can see that the skull obviously got a lot more white with that Salon Care. So that's what it's for. But yeah, it's been sitting up for a couple of days now, so it's nice. Came out better than what I thought, honestly. But yeah, this is my European mount for my very first deer. I love it, and if I ever get another one, I would go a little bit more in detail on how to do it. This was my very first video. doing a European mount, and yeah, but I'm happy with it. So make sure you subscribe, leave me a like if this was helpful for you, and yeah, see you on the next one.